Pudd's Mods, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Zuru Smashers Mini Light Up Dino. So there are 3 to collect and battle. So I'm going to get one of the 3. So on the back it shows how to unbox it. It's hard because the camera's like inverted. Smash, slime, and build and battle. No, build and more. Yeah. And it's really well detailed too, because, like all the bumps and like the bones sticking out. Okay, now I shall open. Yeah. Okay. Spin. Okay. Now I shall spin. Spin. Yeah. There. Oh, okay, that was easy. So here is the egg without its cover. So there's like some cracks here and there, and on the front and back, they have the logo Zuru Smashers, and they have like tape on the side to like keep it together. It looks like. There's also some holes. Okay, let's open. There. Oh, just like an egg. That's nice. So it's like I'm trying to close it. So kind of like a storage. So I guess you can put it back in once you're done. When you're done. Fine, just stay open, I guess. The bone, I guess, just stays there. I thought the bone was connected to something. But I guess not. So here, oh. So it looks like we got the Stegosaurus. Ooh, that's cool. So here is the Stegosaurus. Get there. Okay, got it. So, try it here. We have the instructions of how to make it, which is a lot. So here is the cover. That shows all 3, and we have the Stegosaurus right here. On the back, it shows how to make it. So I don't think I'm gonna need that. Let's open this weird thing. Well, that's cool. It's it looks like sort of like an asteroid. It's really cool. And then, hold on. Got my scissors. Whew. Okay. Now time to open fireball. Top. Ooh. Okay, so there are more inside if I can just open up. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so now I open up the meteor. Ooh, this looks cool. So, Ember slime orange. Okay, so we have this. I guess we have to like dig out, sort of, maybe. I don't know. Then we have the lava slime, where the slime is going to be inside of. And we have the mini light up dino, which is probably the body. Okay, now shall open body. I shall open the body. Well, to get to the body. Oh wait, okay. So here is the body of the Stegosaurus. It's really cool. And they have like plastic fins. It's nice. I want to figure it out. Ooh, this. Probably because this is the part I need to pull off. Struggling to get. Oh, there. Ah, I got it on. Okay. Cut the piece off. That was hard. We'll light it up later. So now, time I guess to go through the slime. Oh god, I can already feel it through here. It is not good. I'm nervous. Ooh, so this is like a Ziploc bag in case if you want to put it away. How did I get through? Kind of like now, I can already feel the slime. Okay, I guess we just try to get it out, which I'm gonna do it over the bowl, or the bottom of the egg. I can feel the limbs coming out. Ooh, looks so weird. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's coming out. It's really cool. Oh my god. Oh yeah. There it comes. I'm gonna get the other body parts out. It's very sticky slime. I'm gonna get all of it out. There's a lot of slime. Woo! And also it's very sticky because it's sticking everywhere. Ah! Get off of me. Okay, there. Why did I put it back? Now I need to, it's very, also the slime is like very clean. Like here's the leg and it's so really clean. Nice clean leg. Now we get, I guess, the front foot, which has a little bit of slime, not that clean, but still it's clean. Slime is really easy to get off, which is good. Very slimy. Just gonna put both of the body parts out. There's the leg. I got some slime on me. Now we need the arm. Come on. Come here. Need the arm. Why is this arm covered in the most slime? Ooh, that's a very heavy slime too. Get in my hand. Trying to get the slime off of me. Sort of. Yellow boogers. Okay. There's the slime. There's all the body parts. I'm putting it back because I don't want this to get everywhere. Ooh, yeah. You can just like see how sticky. Ooh, it slides right in. Perfect. Nice. Ooh, sticky. Doesn't want to leave. Okay, so I think that's all the slime for now. Now, it's time to get the head and tail because those are the only two pieces we haven't gotten. Okay, let's see. So I guess we got two. Never mind. We can just peel this off. Hey. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. There. No. Whew. How do we get this out? Sword. Tiny sword. I have this tiny sword with me, and I'm gonna chop it. I'm gonna get in there. Yeah. Oh, that's actually really nice. Oh, that's really clean. Oh god, it's so smooth. Ah, oh, it's so nice. Oh my god. Did I miss it? I missed it. There. Gotta get in there. Oh yeah. Let's get that piece off. Ooh, real nice. There comes the tail. Okay, I don't know what this is, but it looks really cool. Whatever this is, it's really cool. It's like just like put like ching like that. Actually, it's sort of coming out. That's strange. I'll just put it in here for now. Time to get the head. That. Like that. Ooh, I accidentally hit it. And there. There we go. Now I just gotta. Boop. There. Perfect. Oh. A little bump for where the head came. Ooh. I've gone before. So there's like the little bump where the head came from, which is really nice. Put that in there. It just, yeah, sword. Okay, perfect. Now, we got all the body parts. Probably guessing the stomach is where we get the batteries. Now, time to assemble. Very hard. Okay, got the leg in. Got one leg. Nice. Leg goes everywhere. Very far back. Then we get the other leg in. So yeah. There we go. Much smoother than the other leg. The tiny little arms. There we go. Now the other one. There. And then I'm gonna walk in its walking position. Like that. Now get the head. Turn sideways. And then, last but not least, Z tail. That's really hard to actually get in. Z tail. Perfect. Here is Z Stegosaurus. Really cool. Now, time to turn off the lights to see how bright it is. Now it is time to see. Ta-da! Ooh, that looks really cool. Whoa. Oh, it changes colors like the rainbow. Oh, that's really nice. Wah! I'm a dinosaur. Wah! Whoa, it's really nice. So cool. So to like turn it on, so you have to like bend the tail like that, and then it like clicks. Then the light is on. It's so nice. Oh my god. Lights on. Lights, camera, action. We need the lights. There is. I might actually first. I might just put this on here. I don't know what this is, so whatever this is, it's really nice and smooth and nice to chop with my sword that I have. The sword is so nice to chop with. So smooth. It's sticking to me. I guess I can, if I get anything similar, then I'm trying to figure out how I can have you, but you don't come out at the same time. Right there. Stay. So I guess I can have this as like the base, so it doesn't like come out. And I guess I can just keep this line. Oh, let me just. There. There, just clicks right in. Nice. Got the slime. This to keep. And there. Now we have our dinosaur. It's so nice. This is so cool. That's so nice. Oh, this is so fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!